Happy International Yoga Day to everyone. I thought this time, the theme of this year's Yoga Day is yoga at home and yoga with family. These days, due to quarantine and lockdown, there is a lot of impact on our mental health. I also personally feel sometimes. So I thought it's better that I plan a session with my family and I try to include the aspects of yoga that can help you with your mental health or just to keep your mood uplifted, which you can practice in your day-to-day life. So today's session is a short meditation session, around 20 minutes, in which we will be doing 3 pranayam exercises. It is a practice along with me session, so you can sit, chill at home, find a comfortable place to sit like I am sitting. You can sit in simple cross-leg position. We call it Sukhasana in terms of yoga. So sit in a comfortable cross-leg position, back straight, relax. Remove all the distractions, leave all your tension outside the room wherever you are practicing. As you see, I am also practicing it indoors as it is the night time. So this meditation helps to soothe your mind towards the end of the day. Okay? Before we begin the session, let's prepare our mind for the practice today. So I hope by now everyone has found a comfortable place to sit and practice with me in this guided meditation session. Now I'll ask my family member, that is my sister. She is the audience here. Likewise, you guys are the audience. So you can practice and I'll be giving out the instruction as well as we'll be practicing this together. So I hope everyone is ready. Please join me. She's my sister. Leave all your stress outside. Find a silent place where you can meditate for the next 20 minutes. Sitting in cross-legged position, you can place your palms softly on your knees. Do this mudra, join the index finger and the tip of your thumb together. Place your palm facing upwards. Shoulders relaxed, elbow relaxed, back straight. I'll be removing my specs now. If you also wear spectacles like me, keep your spectacles nearby and close your eyes. Take a normal deep breath in and breathe out. Another inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Try to keep a gentle smile on your face as we are doing the breathing exercises. 3 more rounds of inhalation and exhalation. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Be present in this moment. We will start the session with 3 rounds of Om chanting. All of us, those who are sitting on the other side of camera as well as us, starting together with 3 Om chants. Inhale for Om. Om. Observe the silence around you. Keep your focus on your breath, your posture, the place where you're sitting. Just go with the flow. With every exhalation, let go of your thoughts, stress, any worries. Inhale and feel more positive. Exhale out all the negativity. Inhale, exhale, relax. One more inhale, exhale, relax. Relax your whole body. Join your palms together. Lower your chin. Open your palms. And looking at the palms, slowly open your eyes in a few blinks. Namaste everyone. The first pranayam for the day is square breathing. As the name suggests, inhale, hold the breath, exhale and hold. These are the 4 steps of square breathing. But today, as some of you might be beginners for these breathing exercises, we'll do the first 3 steps only. That is inhale, hold and exhale. I'll be guiding you throughout the practice, don't worry. You can keep your hands in this mudra or just simply place your palms on your knees, no worries. Relax your shoulders. Observe my hand. When my hand is going up, that means it's an inhalation. When I do like this, that means hold the breath inside. And when my hand is going down, that means exhale. So I'll say inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do each step for 4 counts. Counts will go on my speed. It is not the second count, so it will be a little slower. Inhale for 4, hold for 4 and exhale for 4. If you feel these counts are too much, reduce the counts to 3 and practice the session. So let's get started with square breathing. Close your eyes. Keep observing my hands. You can keep your eyes open for the first round. Everything is through the nose. Inhale, 1, 2, keep inhaling, 3, 4, hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale through nose, 1, 2, 3, 4, continue, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4. You can slowly open your eyes. I hope the practice is clear to everyone. Now we'll be doing the same practice. I'll only give the hand gestures. I'll not give any verbal instructions. So practice with me. We'll practice 6 times. Okay? Close your eyes, everyone. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Let's start. Exhale and you can stop the practice. Come back to your normal breathing. Slowly open your eyes. Whenever we are opening the eyes during any meditation or pranayama exercises, open your eyes very slowly. because you are not used to the light. Now the second pranayam is alternate nostril breathing, commonly known as Anulom Vilom. Advanced variation is known as Nadi Shodhan pranayam. We are going to do the simpler variation today. How do we practice alternate nostril breathing? As the name suggests, we breathe alternatively from the nostrils. So we start with inhalation from left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left. So it is kind of infinity symbol is being formed. That's how I like to remember, and that's how I would want you to remember the practice as well. Again, notice my hand gestures. Upward means inhale and exhale right when I give it like a cross. Inhale right, exhale left. So you can follow the practice using my following my hand gestures. We'll be using our right palm. Just use the thumb and ring finger. You can simply keep your hand on your nose to alternate. So using the thumb, we'll be closing the right nostril and ring finger on the left when we are breathing through right. You can watch the first round and then join me on the subsequent rounds. Clear? Let's start with the first round. I'll be giving you 2 rounds of guided practice, then we'll continue on our own. Make sure your back is straight. Keep your eyes open for the first round. Watch my hands. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Close the right nostril with your thumb. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. So we exhale and inhale from the same nostril and then change. Clear? Now we'll be doing 6 rounds of this, and every inhalation, every exhalation we'll try to do for the same duration. In your mind you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 for inhale, and the same count in the same speed for exhale as well, so that your inhalations and exhalations are balanced. We'll be doing 6 to 8 rounds of alternate nostril breathing. You can join me on this now. Keep your eyes closed. Relax. For the new viewers, you can watch my left palm for the directions. Let's begin alternate nostril breathing. With the next exhalation from your left nostril, you can stop the practice. Keep your palms on your knees. Relax and come back to your natural breathing. Take a long breath in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Chin close to your chest. In a few blinks, slowly open your eyes. It felt very good. I hope you are experiencing the same feelings that we are experiencing right now after the practice. And if you do all these pranayams in a sequence together in the morning or even in the evening time, having enough gap between your meals, then these are very, very good for your mental health and also to keep your breathing, respiratory system healthy and active, especially in these days. You know why I'm telling you all of that, right? So we have last pranayam, that is the third pranayam for the day. This is known as humming bee breath, also known as Bhramari pranayam. So we inhale normally through nose, and when we are exhaling, we need to produce the sound of M, the alphabet M or the Hindi word M, just like a hummingbird sound as we exhale. I'll show you one round of demo so that you know how we need to practice it. And in order to practice it, the mudra or the hand gestures that we are going to do, open your hands like this, your thumb on your earlobe, not inside your ear, we don't want to go there. Thumb on your earlobe, just shut your ear. We practice it towards the end because it's a very soothing practice. I'll show you one round. Close your earlobes and the remaining 4 fingers simply on your head, shoulders relaxed, elbows on the side. And close your eyes as you're doing it. Inhale normal, exhale M sound. Watch. And if you might have noticed, my M exhalation was quite longer. So try to keep your exhalations long, inhalations comparatively shorter. Focus is on exhalation. Clear? We'll be doing 3 rounds of this Bhramari pranayam. You won't be hearing anything. Try to keep your exhalation as long as possible. Let's get started with the practice. Close your ears and start. Once you have finished 3 rounds, relax. Observe the changes in your body, how you're breathing right now after the pranayam. Slowly come back to your natural breathing. Normal inhalation through the nose. Normal exhalation through the nose. Inhale nose, exhale through the nose. Chin close to your chest. In a few blinks, slowly open your eyes. How are you feeling right now? So we practiced 3 pranayams today. We started with square breathing, followed by alternate nostril breathing, and we ended with Bhramari pranayam. To complete our session, we are going to sit quietly for some time, observing the breath, and we'll end with 3 Om chant, followed by Shanti mantra. If you're finding uncomfortable to sit in the posture, feel free to adjust your legs and sit back in any comfortable posture. Once you do these pranayams regularly, this discomfort that you might be experiencing right now for the first time, you will not have that because you're used to sitting. Ideally, all these pranayams should practice in a sequence, but as I was guiding you through the practice, it was a step-by-step instruction. Practice it on your own, try to do it at one stretch, and let me know how it goes. So let's end today's practice. We are going to do 3 Om chants followed by a Shanti mantra. I'll explain you the meaning of the mantra after that. Okay? Sit in a comfortable position. Hands in the mudra of your choice. I'm doing like this, palms facing up. Back straight. Normal inhale. Exhale. Before we do the Om chanting, let's practice a few rounds of chest breathing. Keep your right hand on your chest. Observe the chest as you are inhaling and exhaling. When you inhale, the chest will expand, and when you exhale, chest goes in. Inhale out. Exhale in. Inhale chest out. Exhale chest in. Inhale chest out. Exhale chest in. Relax, you can drop the hand. This is chest breathing. Next we are going to practice abdominal breathing. So place your right palm on your abdomen near your navel, that is, just place it on your tummy. Left hand simply placed on your knee. Same thing should happen when you inhale, abdomen should come out, and when you exhale, abdomen goes in. Watch the practice. Inhale, out, exhale, in. Inhale, out, exhale, in. Inhale, out, exhale, in. Relax. And slowly open your eyes. So this was chest breathing, abdominal breathing. The signs behind these breathings I'll share in my Instagram post later towards the end of the day. Now we have reached the end of the practice. Thank you for joining us for so long. Let's finish the session on a good note. Let's start with 3 Om chant. Sit in a comfortable position. Inhale through the nose. Exhale normally. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale for Om chant. Repeat the mantra after me. Loka samasta,
Loka samasta,
sukhino bhavantu.
sukhino bhavantu.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Observing the silence and your body after the practice. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Another breath in and breathe out. Inhale, more energized. Exhale, all the laziness, lethargy. Inhale, more and more energized after the practice. Exhale. Inhale, confidence. Exhale, fear, negative thoughts. Let go. We are in this present moment. Focus on your present. Bring your chin close to your chest. Now join your palms together and start rubbing your palms until your palms are warm. Rub, rub, rub. Little more. And then place your palms, not your fingers, on your eyes gently. Feel the warmth on your eyes. Rub again. Keep your eyes closed. This time place your palms on your ears. Open your palms in front of your face. In a few blinks, slowly open your eyes, looking at the palms. With a smile on your face, be thankful for the practice today. Thank you all for joining today. I'll quickly explain the meaning of the mantra that we just chanted towards the end of the practice. It is Shanti mantra, and the meaning of the mantra is we are just praying for peace and all good things in the world. It's a simple mantra. It is not related to any religion. So we all can chant this mantra. It's just wishing good for everyone. If you don't feel like doing that, you can simply chant Om and skip the mantra. I hope you like the practice today. Keep practicing it every day, morning or night, or ideally both times, and you'll start to feel more and more calm, and you'll start to see the benefits, because meditation is something you will not see the benefits instantly. It takes a while to notice the changes in your mind and body. So thank you for joining. I hope you like this session. Happy Yoga Day everyone. I hope this session makes your day even more better.